white. My badge number's 429.
Because there'll be a complaint filed. I guarantee you.
You know what? If you're going to file a complaint, we'll just charge you. Stay in there. We'll give you something. We'll give you something to file a complaint on.
All right. I had this video from like the 23rd or 24th and hadn't got around to it. A couple other channels have gotten to it, but this guy needs some attention. This Billy White from Centralia Police Department in Illinois. His name is Billy White, and I call him Billy. Thinks he's a badass white, but he ain't no badass. He's just an ass. And this is the kind of pig that we don't need with a badge and a gun. He's going to get worse. If he hasn't already done worse than what he's doing in this video, he's going to do worse. He needs a lot of attention. He comes out of this and goes to a bad attitude and cusses, and he thinks he's our master and he's our servant, and he thinks this guy's supposed to kiss his butt and do what he wants, and he just has a freaking temper tantrum. And I give you a warning here. I'm going to cut out the cussing in the video. I'm going to edit that out. But if you're one of those people that come into my channel and don't like me interrupting the video, then you might as well go right now, because I am definitely going to interrupt this video and have something to say. So let's get on with the video. And the video is from Southern Illinois Public Observer. That's where I first found it, so let's get on with the video.
I don't know what happened. We was driving by, the man's laying here. He says somebody hit him with a car. He's obviously been drinking, but he needs some help, so I didn't want to leave until somebody got here.
I appreciate you. And when you came here, you didn't see anybody else around? Or?
You know what? There was a white vehicle on the tracks, and I think they saw him about the same time we did.
Okay.
But they went on.
But you didn't see a vehicle around or anything like that? Okay.
But his head's all busted up, and he said he hurt.
Why don't you guys go ahead and pull up to give room for the ambulance?
We're going to go on. We just wait.
Well, I need your information real quick.
What information?
Just your information real quick. Give me 1 second. Can you just pull the vehicle up for a second?
It's not my car.
Jesus Christ. Give me your IDs and I'll run it now. Everybody's got to make shit rocket science. You got your ID on you?
It's not my car.
You have your ID on you?
No, I do not. Why are you yelling at me whenever I'm
Because you're not listening. You're not listening. I'm trying to get the ambulance here so we can get off the railroad tracks.
And we're going home.
I need your ID.
I don't have an...
Right there. He's acting like it's all important to get the cars off the railroad track. But yet he goes into this, I want your ID. And that's more important to him to get the cars off the track. But he blames it all on this guy. The car's not on the track. All they got to do is leave the guy and the girl alone. Let him move the car and then go on from there. But don't be an ass. He doesn't have to give you his ID. He's not a witness to anything. All he did was make the phone call. Just let him go. Now, let's get on with it.
ID.
What's your name?
I'm not giving it to you.
I'm going to put your hands behind your back. I'm going to arrest you. God damn. Let's make everything fucking please. You want to go sit in the county jail because you want to be an idiot.
I don't have an ID on me, just like I...
No, you don't want to give me your name, so you said arrest you. So good Lord. Let's make shit difficult. Makes sense.
I want to see your supervisor.
Put him in your car. Pat him down and put him in your car.
He's not getting his butt kissed. This is the typical kind of pain in the ass, creep police officer that we don't need and that we complain about all the time. But I bet you nothing happens to him, and I bet you he's been on that police department for a long time, because he knows that he can get away with anything he freaking damn well wants. And it gets worse later. Let's go on.
Yes, you have. Obstructing justice.
Obstructing my arse.
Put him in your car. Pat him down and put him in your car.
I want to see your supervisor. Have I committed a crime?
Yes, you have. Obstructing justice.
How is that when I called to get this guy some help?
Come on.
That's all I did was call to get help.
Yes, you have. You're not kissing my butt.
saw the guy laying in the road. If I haven't been suspected of a crime.
I know, I
Or
just got
suspected of being
called about this guy.
About
laying
him.
in the road.
Yeah, I mean, we're just trying to help.
All right.
And the guy's yelling at me.
Spoiler alert, because I think I'm going to, in a short time here, we're going to end up skipping some of this video and moving on, because it's a long video. It's like 24 minutes long, but I'm not going to show it all to you. But sometimes it makes me wonder if there are any good cops out there, even though I know there are. But guess what? None of these other police officers do anything to stop Billy that thinks he's a badass white from doing what he's going to do later and from doing what he's doing now.
That's what's the matter with the police force nowadays, man.
Well, let's get this figured out.
I did absolutely nothing but call to help this guy out, and I'm sitting here in cuffs. That's all I did.
Well, what happened? What happened
I
there?
don't know. We pulled up, and the guy's laying in the middle of the road, so we called 911.
Sorry, copy 28 of a witness.
Asking me for ID, which I told him I do not have, and I haven't been suspected of committing a crime.
What's your name?
It's Aaron.
Okay.
But there's absolutely no reason to ID me when I haven't done anything. I'm just trying to help a guy.
Whenever you called about it, did you?
I didn't even call.
Oh.
The daughter called. I was out there with the man,
They pulled
making
up
sure
right
he was all
after he
right.
was down. They didn't
Okay.
see anything, but just
All right.
first ones on
Did nothing,
scene.
man. And here I'm sitting in cuffs because your guy's an asshole. That's why. I want your supervisor out here, by the way. Get your sergeant
He's out here.
All right.
Oh, and notice, see over here, the car is still parked there. He is interrogating the girl to get the information he wants instead of moving the car. It's still not about moving the cars. It's about his freaking ego.
That's why people record this stuff. You know that,
Last
right?
name.
You're breaking my constitutional rights by arresting me for
First of
committing
all,
no crime. I wasn't impeding an investigation.
All right. Well, I don't know what was going on there, so.
Nothing.
You-
We called to get the guy some help, and I'm in cuffs.
All right. Well, let me go talk to them, and hopefully we'll be able to get you out of here. Okay.
Also run a Aaron W.
There you go. That's
I'll
me.
get a date of birth for you in a moment.
Hey, he's still after the date of birth. So he can run him.
Your guy was just being an asshole.
Aaron, listen, if you want to see asshole, I'll send you to the county jail. I'm asking for cooperation here. God damn. Who is this guy to you, ma'am? Who is he to you?
He's my dad.
Why is he acting like this when I'm trying to get people off the railroad tracks for safety reasons?
No, sir, I'm sorry.
I just need to know who we are. That's all I'm doing. I just asking him for his name, and he don't want to give it to
We
me.
were just trying to get this man some help.
Ma'am, I appreciate that, but at the same time,
No, I understand.
why cause one problem when we're trying to fix another? You know what I'm
I
saying?
understand, sir.
Centralia, copy 28 of a witness.
He's not a witness.
No, I got a call that he was down there looking for him.
Go ahead.
They pulled up right after he was down. They didn't see anything, but just first ones on scene. B-Boy, K-King. Aaron, wait. Aaron, listen, if you want to see asshole, I'll send you to the county jail. I'm asking for your cooperation here.
For what?
I've got squad cars on railroad tracks. I'm
Why
trying to
are
get
you
them off of
yelling
it
at me?
because you don't want to listen. I'm asking for your cooperation and you don't want to give it to me.
You know what my cooperation was? Calling and getting this man some help.
Okay, so we're going to cause another problem by not clearing the railroad tracks? I'm asking you to pull
It's not
forward.
my car.
Here we go again. It's not his car, and he doesn't really give a damn about moving the car because he's still mad because he's not getting his butt kissed over and over again. All he had to do is let the girl move the car. It's her car, not his.
And then I'm asking for your name so you guys can get out of here so we
For
can
no
pull
reason
forward.
at all. For no reason. You're
Yeah,
asking for
that makes sense. Fucking stupid. Hit your unlocks on your car. Aaron, I don't know why you'd want to do a good deed and not help me try to just get everybody out of here in a safe area.
When you started yelling at me, it was a bad deal right off the bat, so.
Apparently, you don't know what it's like to do this job.
I don't want to.
I get that, but I'm trying to make it safe for everybody showing up here, so we're not on railroad tracks.
You need to
Bullshit.
get shoulder, pal. There's no reason to be rude.
Oh no, listen. Time can kill somebody. You understand that?
I'm not mad. Why are you?
Time can. I'm not mad.
Why you keep yelling at me then?
Time. I'm not yelling.
Not right now.
Time can kill somebody. The matter of seconds can kill somebody.
I
There's
have
a
no
train.
idea.
All right. Here we go again. He's yelling about time can kill somebody. Well, then, get the cars out of the way. Quit worrying about your hurt butt. And do what your job says you should do. Take care of the guy that's on the ground. Get the ambulances in there, the firemen in there. But no, he's still butt hurt and a pain in the ass. And I could think of some more words, but we'll go on.
Happened to him no more than you do.
I understand that. I'm trying to get people off the railroad tracks.
And I'm trying to go home. I just stopped to help the guy.
Then just help me get to the fucking.
I don't owe you anything. I don't know what your problem is.
My problem is,
Guess what? I'm clear, right? I've lived here my entire life. I want your name, your card.
It's Billy White. My badge number's 429.
Because there'll be a complaint filed. I guarantee you.
You know what? If you're going to file a complaint, we'll just charge you. Stay in there.
Charge
We'll
me
give you
for
something.
what?
We'll give you something to file a complaint on. Transport this one to the station. He's going to run his mouth and want to file a complaint. I'll give him something to file his complaint on. You can go to the station and bond him out.
Into the my name if I'm not.
It's a state law. Everything I'm saying is recorded. It's a state law.
Here?
Yes. Have a seat for me. I got it.
Here?
No, you can sit up here. Aaron, my name is Billy White, by the way.
I think I know you actually. I think we might have went to school together.
We did?
From Centralia High School?
I did. What year did you graduate?
Oh, what was it, 91 I think?
Backing up. My bumper's on the railroad tracks. I had to stop short because he's laying on the ground. I wanted to make sure.
On the other tracks.
I understand that.
That's why we ended up seeing it.
But there are switches, and he was backing up. But what I'm saying is,
Now, this part is just a bunch of freaking a-hole cops splaining. Now, he does end up letting him go and not charging him because he knows he can't. I mean, he knows it'd be a false arrest. That's why he lets him go. I'm going to take my revenge on you, make you go to down here, and I'm going to talk to you and act like I'm some kind of Billy badass and I'm better than you and I know everything and blah, 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 blah. But anyway, so, God, how many times are we going to see this before something's done? That police chief won't do a damn thing about this. And if he does, we'll never find out because he won't tell anybody. But this police officer will be back on the streets doing the same thing next time he doesn't get his butt kissed. God, I don't know what else to say. I mean, what can I say? I've said these same things over and over again so many times. It's just this a-hole does not need a badge, and he definitely does not need a gun. He is going to hurt somebody someday if he hasn't already, and I can guarantee you that he has done this before, and he's falsely arrested people, and he's ruined people's lives, and he doesn't care, and all it is his ego. If he gets butt hurt, he's going to screw you over. I'm surprised he didn't go even further this time. I don't know why, except for maybe because it's so obvious that he didn't have to ID. He didn't see anything. He stated he didn't see anything. All he did was call it in. And all this cop wanted to do was get his information so he could run him. That was all it was about. He didn't give a damn about clearing the tracks. He didn't give a damn about that guy on the tracks. Nothing mattered but him. I guess there's all kinds of descriptive words we could use for this idiot. And if you want to leave him in the comment area, you go ahead. Well, I guess that's it for now. I just kind of at a loss now. I mean, what else can I say? Y'all seen it. Y'all heard it. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And if you're one of those copsuckers, come in and make a comment and tell me how you can defend this a-hole's actions in this video. I dare you. This is PNP News. I'm out of here for now. I got another video I'm working on that I'm just not sure about how I'm going to do it yet, and I'm not even sure I'm going to do it yet until I get some more information, but we'll see. Anyway, this is PNP News. We're out of here. Thanks for stopping by. Go by I'm going to leave the contact information for the police department, this guy's information, a link to the original video, etc., the police chief, and we will see y'all later. I'm out of here. Bye.